A new function introduced to OnTime is Pollarity, which allows you to create polls with internal and external people to find the best time for a meeting. This makes planning much easier and ensures that the most amount of people are able to attend. If you look at the menu on the left side, you will see the new meeting poll function, which is very easy to use. Let me show you how it works. Firstly, I just mark the people who I want to invite to the meeting, and when I'm done with this, I just click Add Poll. Now I'm going to start out with the details of the event. Write a subject. I'm going to call this poll Meeting A. I can add a description that explains what this meeting will be about. I can then choose duration and location for the meeting, which time zone it should follow, and when people should have voted before. I can also choose the language I want the email notifications to be in. And if I want, I can also customize the text for the email notifications. When this is filled in, I can go to the second part of my poll. Here I can edit the people I want to attend the meeting in different ways. Firstly, I can invite more people both internally and externally. To invite people externally, all I need is their email address. And with the new update, I'm able to add several people at a time from a comma-separated list. I can then add a name to the email address. If the email address has been used before, the name will be remembered, but in this case, I'm just going to name her Andrea Dooling. I can edit the names of all participants, so if I want to add a doctor title to Alphonse, for example, I can do that. Now it's time to find date choices. As you can see, there aren't really any available times in the week that I want to do this in, but I really need to have the meeting between the 27th and the 31st. So what I can do is I can choose to prioritize the invitees. So if I choose not to prioritize Andre, it doesn't mean that he won't get the invitation, just that his calendar won't be taken into consideration when finding dates. As you can see, this created a lot more free spots. I can then just choose different time suggestions. In the top, it shows which days there are availabilities, and underneath it shows when during the day the availabilities are, and when I have availabilities in my calendar. I can move this box around to change the time, and when I'm happy with the choice, I just click OK. I can then add more time suggestions for the invitees to vote for, and when I'm done with the poll, I can just click Save and Send, or if it's not quite ready, I can just save it as a draft. Using the meeting poll function is very easy and intuitive, and helps find the time that works the best for the most amount of people, both internally and externally. The processes of voting and booking the meeting are also very easy and are described much further in another video. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and visit our YouTube channel for more videos like it. You can also visit our website for more information and to try it out yourself.